You're watching Channel 1 and this is the cooking series. Browse through the playlist or click on the eye icon above for gardening and travel. You're watching Channel 1 and this is the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm welcome and welcome back to our small kitchen. Your uncle and Kuya here in Holland, Romilo. Today I'll be cooking a very interesting dish. It's a dish that started in China. It's Coca Cola Chicken. It's a bit strange, but when I first tasted this, cooked by a friend from China, it was really delicious. She just cooked chicken wings in Coca-Cola and that was it. But we have some developments in the ingredients. It's still simple, and the sauce tastes like the sauce of the restaurant in the Philippines. If you know Rax, the sauce, the Coca-Cola sauce plus our mixture renders that the same taste. Let's do this. I have here a kilo of chicken. The basic ingredient: Coca-Cola, finely chopped onions, garlic, a bit of soy sauce, tomato sauce or tomato paste, and my addition, chicken cube. It's easy, we just have to combine all the ingredients together. Boil it, and then if you have an oven, finish it in the oven. We're adding the chicken now. The onions, the garlic, soy sauce, the tomato sauce, if you're not using chicken cube, you can also use just a bit of salt. 1 teaspoon will be enough. And the heart of the mixture of the sauce, Coca-Cola. As always, I'll be providing the proportions in the description box below. We will just have to boil this until the sauce thickens. Roughly around 20 minutes or so. We can leave it now and come back to it once it begins to boil and stir it from time to time. Our dish has been boiling for approximately 15 minutes now. Let's check the progress. The sauce is reduced to roughly 50%. Let's give it more, around 15 more minutes. It's good to cover it with aluminum foil to minimize evaporation. In 50 minutes, we should have a delicious and tender Coca-Cola chicken. It's also good to turn the chicken pieces roughly after 20 minutes. Twice, and that will be it. Let's check the progress of our dish. let's give it a turn. I mean, the pieces a turn. Perhaps just once. Let's just leave this in its sauce and put it back in the oven. Let's put it back. And. We'll just leave it, and perhaps in 30 more minutes we will have a delicious Coca Cola chicken. It's time to check out our Coca Cola chicken. Look at that! And this is our Coca Cola chicken. It is from China, but it appeals to everyone's taste. Your Korean uncle here in Holland. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, see you at the garden or elsewhere this summer. Until next time, bye bye.